traders move commodities between producers and end consumers, they use a complex web of logistical assets, guaranteed supply contracts, and long-term purchasing agreements. With these logistical assets and inventory reserves they are frequently the ones best able to correct any market shortages or imbalances. So they derive the vast majority of their profit from smoothing out supply and demand imbalances, not from speculating on commodity price moves. And in doing so, they actually use a series of arbitrage. Arbitrage, in a strict sense, is locking in a profit without taking risk. And those arbitrage, there are 4 types: time, location, lot size, and quality, that we are going to cover more in details later in section 3 with some examples. However, when the commodity traders move the commodity between a producer and a consumer, they buy and sell. They buy and sell the commodity at different prices. And as you know, the prices are dynamic. They change all the time. And they are also sometimes highly volatile. Volatility is the frequency and magnitude of a change in a price. That's the definition. So there is obviously a risk when they buy and they sell. We would like to go back to the basics and understand what is that risk, how to measure it, and how to manage it. This is commodity price risk management.